Everyone, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Happy Monday morning to you all. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Please like and share and subscribe. My YouTube channel is me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, make a shout out to you all. For today's vlog, my two cats, Maine Coon and Bengal, they're in my bed. The black one is Sasha. The gray one is Hazel. They're in my bed. So, chilling. And shout out to you all. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hello, hello. They're still sleeping and tired. Chilling and relaxing. So, it's a nice day, nice morning to relax. So, chill, everyone. Enjoy and God bless. It's Happy Monday to you all and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked and share, subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. See you again soon for the next vlog. God bless everyone and God bless us all. And cheese. Love you guys. Good vibes only. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog of Maryland, USA. So, mabuhay tayong lahat samantala naroon ng sulok ng mundo. Enjoy and God bless and take care and God bless everyone and God bless us all. Cheers everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Monday to you all. Chilling like my cat, Chios. See what they're doing? They're chilling. Thank you, God bless, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Love you guys and love everyone.